CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 14th of June 2025. Sad news. A passenger plane crashed in a residential area in the Indian city of Ahmedabad. There were 242 people on board the flight, including the crew, which was going to London. 241 people died in the accident, while one passenger miraculously survived. In addition to those on board the plane, 12 people in the hostel where the plane crashed were also killed. Earlier this year, Farhan Masih was falsely accused of blasphemy in Pakistan. Recently, the Sahiwal District Court honorably acquitted Farhan Masih. Farhan Masih is still under threat of death. Israel has launched a major military operation against Iran, which has been named Operation Rising Line. Explosions in several Iranian cities, including Tehran, targeted specific nuclear and military sites. Children in Sudan are suffering severe abuse, Yoda Mashaikh said, adding that the devastation of the war has left them in a state of extreme poverty, with extremists abusing children, then subjecting them to atrocities ranging from mutilation to murder. Pao Yang says she is a single mother in Luas who is raising her children alone. She preaches Christianity to the local people, and in this crime, some extremists poisoned her children with water, but she says these attacks cannot stop Christianity from spreading. Yusuf says his daughter Sarah was kidnapped by Islamic extremists in Congo. They were forbidding us from preaching Christianity, but when we continued, they kidnapped Sarah and demanded heavy support. In rural Kazakhstan, Christian business owners like Fariza Glomikova face significant difficulties, pressure from the authorities to pay bribes. This coercive environment, secret police are creating. There is a wide network of biased treatment. People engaged in religious activities are being identified and punished. The authorities consider them a threat to themselves. Albertong Wang was killed in Kenya. First he was arrested, then in police custody they tried to make his death a suicide. But then evidence was found that he was killed for preaching Christianity. Maryam is a school student in Bangladesh. No one would let her sit next to him because she was a Christian. She was told that Christians are bad people and she would have to change quickly. When Maryam told this in her church, she was taught to pray for her persecutor and ask for blessings. Christians in Vietnam are peacefully protesting. They are not being given aid after the earthquake. This is causing them problems with food, education, and housing. They are saying that discrimination in disasters is a disgrace to humanity. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.